Hey guys, this is Simon Patterson here with Squickmons. We are going to go over how you would add a material loading position to your CNC screen in Art Professional. So if we go up to the top right hand corner of the screen, we have the gear icon here, which is a configuration. If we click on that, we're going to go to the left hand side menu here, and as you scroll down you'll notice we have post processor. Normally we tell you to input add to the end of every G code where you can have it automatically go to that parking position, but at times it's a little bit easier to just let the machine do its thing, and then once it stops you can just click a button and that button commands it to go to a position. So with that being said, we're going to go on the left hand menu again. We're going to go to M code definitions, and right here we're going to click add M code. We'll make it M code 31. And we're going to call it material loading. And we're going to click here and go to edit. And we're just going to do a G00 code, G00. And normally what we always do is have the Z go up first. So we'll go Z. And we're going to go 2.5. You can keep in mind if you have a shorter Z axis, or depending on where the torch is positioned in the torch holder, you'd want to just respect that position and only allow the Z to lift relative to what available travel you have to move. So in this case we have 2.5 inch that we can travel. We're going to have it move up to 2.5, and then we'll go next line, G00 X, and say we're on a 4x8 table. I like to park it a lot of the times, somewhere central and all the way towards the back. So in this case we'll do X, say 24 space Y, and then we'll do, instead of 96 being the full sheet, we'll do 102, and we'll just click OK. So now notice we have that program there, G code, or this is our new macro, and then we're going to go to the left hand menu again, and we're going to go to custom buttons. Now we're going to go new button, and we're going to select run macro. So when we do this, it's going to execute the macro that we have in the other screen that we just created. So we're going to call the button material loading and macro code 31, and we can do display warning. That just gives you a second to process what's happening, so it doesn't just execute. And then we'll go add button. So there it is. We'll go save, and then there it is right on the screen. So those buttons will all populate right here to the left side of that Cartesian plane window or your working area. You'll notice now if we zoom in, so if I click material loading, you can see the little yellow dot there, and it's going to tell me, okay, is it safe to proceed? Say yes, and then now it's going to move and execute, and it's going to run the machine all the way back and then park itself. So this is a really handy trick. You can create a handful of these buttons. We're going to do another video on how to do a tool change, so we'll do that one where you can change the coordinates of your machine, and it'll help out a lot, where you could park it off the front of the table to where you can do a tool change, so you're not tool changing over the water bed, not accidentally drop a consumable down in there. So thank you so much for watching, guys. We really appreciate you taking the time to watch these videos. They will help just be able to better run your CNC system. If there's any questions or video requests that you have, feel free to reach out to us, support@squickmons.com, or you can go on our website and go to the contact us form and just drop a question in there. If you want custom videos, please drop them in there as well. We'll try to get to those as we see them come in, but please don't hesitate.